used for cure for liver. And for the foreigners, especially
হাতে করে একটা বোতল নিয়েছি।
I want to say now about the booking of that homestay. As I told you before up there, so if you guys want to book the homestay, you can pay only $20. Okay, and for the foreigners, you especially need passport. Without passport, you can't book this. You can also book it in online, and also have facilities for the spot booking. So you can come here. It's a very beautiful place to enjoy. You can come here with your friends, with your families. Very safe and beautiful place. Weather is also very charming. Little bit cool. Breeze is blowing over there up, and also sunshiny day. Is very good for all of us. You see the name. You see the name. See the name. There are also many herbs actually used for cure for liver, and there are so many herbs you can use for the treatment, all for treatment purposes. You see over here, so many herbs are here. You see, this is peach blossoms. It's called peach blossoms, and it's peach trees. It's significant Vietnam cultural trees, and they obey these trees very much. So this is, you can see everywhere in the slope area. And you can see the pine trees over here, over up there, everywhere pine trees and peach trees. Very beautiful area. And that one is the exit gate. You can see the exit gate over there. So now we are going out from here after a lot of enjoyment all together. Okay.
তো আর একটা জিনিস আপনাদের খুব জানানো দরকার ছিল, সেটা হচ্ছে আপনারা যখনই আসবেন, বিশেষ করে ইন্ডিয়ান পিপল যখনই আসবেন, সাথে করে একটা বোতল নিয়ে আসবেন। কারণ এখানে আপনাদের একটু বাথরুম বা টয়লেটে সমস্যা হতে পারে, কারণ এরা খুবই কম জল ইউজ করে, এবং বাথরুমে আপনি জল নিতে পারবেন না, আপনাকে টিস্যু ইউজ করতে হবে। সো অবশ্যই এটা ভুলবেন না যে সঙ্গে করে জলের বোতল বা জল নিয়ে আসতে যখন আপনারা টয়লেট যাবেন। ওকে।